Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a new car for the channel. We're gonna do some speed runs with this. We're gonna test it out to see how fast it goes, and then we're gonna put a SpeedTek RC Speed Spool in it. You can get this at speedtekrc.com. I got the 35 tooth pinion on there. You can use my code KURTSRCs to get 10% off the whole website, speedtekrc.com. We got spools, gears, fans. I got all sorts of stuff. It's well worth taking a look at there, guys. 10% off. Got the what do they call it? They call it the typhon and the arrma. This is the Python XP6S, 1/8 scale, 4-wheel drive. It's got 3 diffs. Got a center diff, front and rear. It says it'll do 70 miles per hour out of the box. It is, like I said, 6S. Comes with so you guys can see that. Comes with a 2050 kV motor. It's a 4-pole, 4 to 6S, sensorless. This is 150 amp ESC 2 to 6S, which this is the version of the maxx 6. And then it's actually got a HV digital servo in it, 25 kilograms. Metal gears. That's actually a pretty good servo for a ready to run. So here's the specs if you guys want to see them. Indicated speed depends on the final gearing ratio. Yeah, so you know it says 70 miles an hour plus, but you got to put your own gears in it. Looks like the rest of the box is all the same. I'm not going to flop it around for you guys. Let's just open it up and get her on out of here, huh? Oh, what the? What? Nah. Nah, I picked this car up pretty cheap. They were going to do some work to it. The guy didn't want to put it back together. I mean, it's brand new. So it's just in a bunch of different pieces. Everything's got to go back together. The servo, the whole front's missing. I mean, it's all here somewhere. It's all in a box. I think the remote's in here. If not, we just got a new remote. So yeah. So let's pull this out. And we're going to do a little video on putting this thing together. I just wanted to show you guys the new car I got. A little buggy. We'll put some GRPs on there. I think we have some, not these ones, but we'll put some GRPs or something on there. Run it. Probably have a set that I can find to put together here. Make sure everything's not out of the box here. So it's the radio that comes with. Heard they're all right. They feel really light. Not too bad in the hand though. Little foam pad. Let's get the bind. Looks like your throttle trim or something, a couple extra switches on off. Steering throttle trim. I'm assuming it takes in 4 AA MCO. So here is the center spool. It's really soft. There's not much in there. There is stuff in there. And if there's something in there, it's just really loose. But like I said, we're gonna put the speed spool in there. We're gonna do this first. Set it all up this way, and put it in just like that. Hoping everything's here. They said everything was here, so I kind of looked in the bag and it looked like everything was sitting in here still. Got the drive lines, all the pieces, the screws are here, front pin brace is there, motor. So all that's in here. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. Pretty nice. Never ran, just taken apart. I think he was gonna put thicker oils on all the diffs and never did that. I'm not even gonna do that. Looks like it's got plenty of grease in there. We'll run it like this, stock. Get some speed 4S, 6S, what do you guys think? Do that, and then the only thing I will have to do too is I'll change these. I don't use XT90s, I use EC5s. So I'll unsolder these and solder on some new ends. I got plenty of these. I don't need that one. So we'll just leave that one alone. But yeah, we'll solder on some ends. I'll put on my own. And then we'll get this thing out ripping. I still, nice horn there. The links, hopefully we can get this thing to go straight enough with these links and all that on there, because they are plastic, they're not adjustable, but they look like they might be, from what I've seen other people do, they look like they're pretty solid and straight. So we're gonna test her out, and then I'm still gonna run my Maverick 4S and a 6S here coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. I got a couple other cars in the works. You've seen my other car got my ESC get burned up, my race truck. So I thought I'd pull this out of the box and start working on this and get this all set up and ready. This is gonna be a nice rig right here. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You know, so just hitting the subscribe button is free, guys. It doesn't cost you nothing. Click it for me if you're watching for the first time. And then stay tuned. I'm going to do a little build video here just to put all this stuff together. So hopefully it won't be too long of a video, but I've never put one of these together, but it doesn't look too much different than anything else. So it might be a two-parter, but and then we'll rip it out and go see what speeds we can do with the stock pinion and stock diff. I'll figure out what size these are and go from there. Okay, guys? So thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.